Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your PC is running slow, your fans are loud, or you're seeing that annoying 100% disk or CPU usage in Task Manager, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to fix high RAM, memory, CPU, and disk usage on Windows 11 or 10. So let's jump right into it. Alright, first things first, let's open up Task Manager. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape or just right-click on the Start menu and select Task Manager. Once you're in, head over to the Processes tab and take a look at what's eating your resources. Pay attention to what apps or background processes are using the most CPU, memory, or disk. Now that you know what's causing the problem, let's tackle the usual suspects. One of the biggest issues is unnecessary startup programs. So click on the Startup tab inside Task Manager and disable anything you don't need launching at boot, especially apps like Discord, Steam, or Microsoft Teams. They slow down your system big time. Next up, let's adjust Windows performance settings. Just type Performance in the search bar and click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. In the Performance Options window, choose Adjust for best performance. Or go with Custom and uncheck the animations and effects you don't really care about. Another major fix is Windows Services. Type Services in the search bar and hit Enter. Scroll down and look for a service called SysMain. This used to be called Superfetch. Right-click it, go to Properties, and set the startup type to Disabled. Then click Stop. This service can cause 100% disk usage on a lot of systems. Now let's move on to scheduled tasks. Open Task Scheduler from the Start menu and check under Task Scheduler Library, Microsoft Windows for scheduled tasks that you don't really need. Be careful here, don't disable anything unless you know what it does, but things like Customer Experience Improvement Program or Windows Update Maintenance can be safely disabled for most people. Now let's handle antivirus. If you're using a third-party antivirus, consider switching to Windows Defender. It's lighter, faster, and built into Windows. Third-party antivirus tools can use a lot of memory and CPU even when you're not doing anything. Also, don't forget to check for malware. High CPU or memory usage can be caused by hidden crypto miners or spyware. Download Malwarebytes, run a scan, and remove anything suspicious. Even a single malware infection can slow your PC to a crawl. For those of you who want to go deeper, open Resource Monitor, just search for it in the Start menu and you'll get more detailed information than Task Manager. Go to the Memory and Disk tabs to find out exactly what's causing the spikes. You might find something unusual that you can uninstall or disable. Now let's talk about updates. Make sure your Windows is fully updated. Updates can be annoying, but Microsoft has been fixing performance bugs in recent updates. Just go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. Also, make sure your drivers, especially your chipset graphics and storage drivers, are up to date. Just open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and choose Device Manager. Click on the device you need to update and right-click it, Update Driver. Another trick is to disable notifications and tips. Go to Settings, System Notifications, and turn off things like Get Tips and Suggestions when using Windows. These small things can make a big difference in reducing background load. Here's one advanced move, the virtual memory. If your RAM usage is super high, you can manually increase the paging file size. Press Windows plus R, type sysdm.cpl, and hit Enter. Go to the Advanced tab and click Settings under Performance. Now switch to the Advanced tab and click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives and select Custom Size. For the initial size, set it to 1.5 times your RAM size. For the maximum size, set it to 3 times your RAM size. For example, if you have 8 GB of RAM, set the initial size to 12,000 MB and the maximum size to 24,000 MB. Click Set, OK, Apply, then restart your PC. Finally, restart your PC. Sounds basic, but if you've made all these changes, a fresh restart clears everything and lets your system breathe again. You should notice a faster boot time, smoother multitasking, and lower numbers in Task Manager. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you fix that annoying high CPU, RAM, memory, or disk usage issue on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need help with something specific. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.